Today we're featuring a 2008 Chevrolet Silverado LT. It's a four-wheel drive, silver birch metallic in color. Alright, as you can see already, it's got the xenon headlights. Let's go ahead and do the walk around. Come down the driver's side of the vehicle. Everything looks really good. Small little ding in the door here. It is equipped with the dual exhaust, and it does have the aftermarket exhaust on there. Sounds really good when you crank it up. Alright, bed liner. Got the 20-inch alloys on there. The nice all-terrain tires. I think they're good BF Goodrich KO2s. Another little small ding right here on the fender. Wheel well there. And just the paint right here. Just a little bit of fading right there on the paint. Alright, but it does have 174,000 miles on it. Other than those few little dings, it's in awesome shape. Really sharp looking truck. It does have the leveling kit right here on the front. Alright, to match the height of the back. Levels it out, looks really sharp. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Got the black on black door panels. Power locks, power windows. Got the thick rubber Chevrolet floor mats. Black cloth seating. Power driver's seat. Alright, it does have the 40-20-40 split bench. Seats look really good in here. It does come with the key fob. Alright, it is a four-wheel drive. Let's see if I can go ahead and brighten this up a little bit. There we go. Four-wheel drive, climate control center, AM/FM CD player, leather wrap steering wheel. It's got your trailer brake control too. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at your mileage. Alright, it's got 174,083 miles on it. One more look at the console here in the dash. CD player, climate control area. Okay, four-wheel drive. AC's been running now for 10 minutes. Everything blowing nice and cold there. This also has your compass and your thermometer there in the mirror. Step out here and let you hear the exhaust, and then we'll take a look in the back seat. Alright, that exhaust sounds really good. Let's go ahead and turn it off. Take a look in the back seat. Cloth back here looks good. I know it's a little dark on that side. It does have the aftermarket tint on the back windows. Alright, there's your cup holder there. Go ahead and give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Alright. Once again, the bed liner. GM bed liner. It's in good shape. Go ahead and take a look over here on the passenger side. It was a little dark earlier in that one shot, so I wanted you to be able to see it from this perspective. But as you can see, back seats are in great shape. I mean, everything in this vehicle well taken care of. It's got 174,000 miles on it. And the passenger seat. Move this out of the way. It does have the center console that comes down. Go ahead and take a look at your wheels and tires. It's got the 20-inch alloys on there. BF Goodrich KO2s, all-terrains. Plenty of tread left on the tires there. Really sharp looking truck. Alright, it's a 2008 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT. It's a 4x4. Alright, it's got 174,000 miles on it. Carfax report on it has 19 service records, been well maintained. Alright. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.